Hello kids, I hope you are having a great week. This is Ankita, your EVS teacher welcomes you. Today I will tell you about small animals that fly or crawl in the house, garden, etc. All the animals that crawl, fly or creep are not insects. In this chapter, we will learn about the characteristics of insects, worms, and spiders. Insects have special features that make them different from other animals, like they have different shape and size, they have 6 legs, their body is divided into 3 parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. Their body are very soft, that means they do not have bones. Some insects like butterfly, bee, flies, mosquitoes, they have wings and they can fly. But some insects like ant and termite have wings when they are young, but they shed them as they grow. So they cannot fly but they can crawl. Some insects like grasshopper, lice, caterpillar, they cannot fly. That's why they are called as the wingless insects. We all love to play hide and seek. But do you know that insects also play hide and seek? Yes. They play when they feel danger. For example, ants and mosquitoes hide in small corners whenever we try to catch them. Housefly flies away quickly from danger. Cockroaches hide in dark places. Grasshopper and caterpillar, they are green in color, and where they live? They live on green plants. So nobody can spot them easily as their body and leaves both are in same color. Some insects are harmful, whether some are useful. Insects like wasp and honeybee have a sting that causes pain, redness and swelling on the skin. Mosquitoes also spread diseases like malaria, dengue and chikungunya. Houseflies sit on the garbage and transfer the germs from there to our food, resulting in diseases like dysentery, cholera, etc. So, how can we prevent them? We can prevent these insects by throwing waste in covered bins. We should not leave our food uncovered, and we should stop their breeding that helps to avoid spreading diseases. Breeding means reproduction, or we can say to produce babies. So these insects always breed in the stagnant water. Stagnant water means the water that is not flowing. And we should keep our surroundings clean. Before moving to the next topic, let me first clear the parts of a flower to you. So you all are aware what are petals, but there are some more parts that are present in the middle of a flower, that are pollen, stamen, stigma, pistil and ovule. Here I am focusing only on pollen. So these pollens are very small pores, or you can say fine powder, present in the middle part of the flower. So these pollens when get transferred from one flower to another, this is called pollination. So examples like bumblebee and butterfly, these insects help the pollen to move from one flower to another. Honeybee collects nectar from the flowers and store it in his house, or we can say beehive. And this honey is extracted by the farmer to use as food. Next useful insect is silkworm. Silkworms eat mulberry leaves and grow in size. They begin spinning their cocoons. So silk farmers collect these cocoons and they produce very fine threads that are called silk fibers. So silkworms are used as to produce silk thread. Next topic is worms. Worms have long tube-like animals. Okay? They don't have legs. They move by contracting and expanding their bodies. Contracting means to make body smaller and expanding means to make body larger. Examples are earthworm, millipede, centipede, etc. Snail is also categorized as worms, but it have a very unique shape. It has a muscular flat foot which uses to move on the ground. It pulls its body and withdraws into its shell when it senses danger. The last category is spiders. They are not insects. They have 8 legs. They belong to a group called Arachnida. They can also spin webs with a liquid that comes out of tiny holes from its back end, as you can see in this picture. This liquid becomes thin and strong on drying, and these webs are used to trap insects and then are eaten by the spiders. So here we have completed our chapter 8. Keep smiling and take care. Thank you.